Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. So last week, the all share index closed at 201,698,000, representing 1 week gain of 0.37%, which is a 4 week gain of 2.58%, and overall year-to-date gain of 29.62%. Now, this means that ASI is holding above historic 200,000 milestone. However, I noticed trading volume was lower last week. It was actually 2.86 billion shares, versus 2 weeks ago, which was 3.95 billion shares. So basically, why the all share index is holding just above 200k. Now, a clean break above 202,000 could trigger next bull run. However, a break below 199,000 with high volume, that will essentially mean a worrying signal for the market as we currently experiencing consolidation. Another thing is bank recapitalization deadline has passed. Banks that met requirements may rally. So going forward, watch out for dividend announcements by companies who usually pay dividends. GTCO already announced theirs. So to break down the mood of the market, all what I've been saying is many people are trading a lot, right? But the all share index is not going up anymore. That means some people are selling quietly, others are still buying. But there is no clear superiority as to if there are more buyers or more sellers, and that's making the market tired. Now, what I just explained is called market consolidation. So, that being said, right now, these are the two things we fear not to happen this new week. Number one, ASI closing below 200,000 points with high volume. That's a high warning of something drastic coming our way. Anyway, number two, banking stocks, especially the big market cap banking stocks, start falling hard. If you notice such, starting this week, that could mean the ASI trend weakening. So we just have to, be careful and keep our eyes on the ASI. That's the on share index. Now let's see my stock recommendation for this week. Number one, WAPCO, which is Lafarge. Well, for WAPCO, you will target like say 7 to 10%. Um, Number two, Transcorp. Transcorp is a good one to buy. Number three, number three, just keep an eye on Fidelity. Fidelity was actually consolidating all through last week. Do not buy yet, but just keep an eye on it. Number four, buy an old Wema Bank this week. Number five, Access Corp. Well, Access Corp is a sweet one to buy. Number six, if you can exercise some patience with First Holdco, I recommend you buy First Holdco. Number seven, if you can exercise some patience with ICO as well, I'll recommend you buy ICO. Number eight, GTCO. GTCO is another good one to buy. That's all I have, for this week. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel to see my next update. See you in the next video.